Firewire looking to put the nail in the coffin. Ito naman, Exile looking for one stop. Babalik pa ang bola sa kanila dahil may shot clock pa tayo dito. An 11-second different shot clock, game clock. Floyd. They give it to Sweet Lou. Abad. Di makatira. Coach Irwin. Dedicadoria jumper. Yes! Knight! Knight! Sabi ni Dedicadoria. Grabe naman yun. On the final second, Floyd Dedicadoria gets the turnaround jumper. A very dedicated fourth quarter play. Floyd with a tough turnaround fadeaway. Grabe. On the last second, Dedicadoria saves the day for Firewire. Broken play na yun. Hindi makatira si Lou Abad off the ISO but finds someone to get them a basket. But para dito sa Exile, they still have 11.3 seconds. If they have a Tracy McGrady in them, it's time. Look at that pass by Santa Maria. And then Dedicadoria with a turnaround jump shot.
With just 3 seconds on the shot clock. What a bailout.
Look at that jumper. Also, Azoro even had his hand up. Good defense na yun eh. Just better offense from Floyd Dedicadoria.
Paubos na pala shot clock mo nung tinira ni Floyd.
Oo.
Timeout, Exile.
Ubusin na partner ng Exile ang kanilang timeout. This is a crucial play. 2 possession.